Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing questions of painting. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing the PDF and the handwritten assignments of these subjects, not for only this subject. We are providing all other subjects also. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238, and you can call us. Or now, here we are discussing the questions of painting. Question number 1 and 2 and 3 all are about 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5 you need to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 you need to write in the 500 words. This is a project based questions, and if you want these answers you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. If you have other queries, we are here for help you. You can contact us without any hesitation. Thank you so much for watching.